view out the back of the garage. They're heading this way. It's okay, baby. How cute. That's a good girl. And wagging the tail, look at that. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, what the fuck was that noise? Is that Papa growling? Bringing up the rear? I heard some gnarly noise. That screech? The fuck? Are they being chased by a cat? Something nuts to know about? It's alright. Johnny got a pistol. Fuck you. But yeah. I mean, I was just doing a little dusk reconnaissance because I knew this is critter time, right? This is out the back of the garage. Back at the spot. Whatever that screech was, it was pretty gnarly. A little bit of shit that's still not quite thawed out yet, but I can almost get all this crap out. But yeah, we were just out peeking out that door, right? In fact, how much you want to bet? Because I shut that door, them deer came back. This is right out the back window that looks right down that alleyway. See? How cool is that? So tonight, I think I'm gonna come do some, I spy with the camera and see what I can see. You feel me? And it won't be long before I get to take this thing for a ride. I gotta get into town, get my plates to go with the plates on the monster truck. Smoking out the auto shop with a bunch of diesel fumes to kill off any bugs and critters in there. But look, man, shit is thawing out quickly. Yesterday, you saw the videos. It was all covered in snow, man. Look, gravel. It's crazy, right? Misfit Island, it's gonna be spring soon. All this slushy shit is gonna be green. I can't believe how quickly shit has melted, man. Shall we see if we got anybody out in the soggy pasture? Finna to scare the shit out of me. I'm kind of creeped out, man. I'm out here all by myself, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what's fucking lurking. I know I'll do me some quick draw McGraw if I have to. Fuck you. I think I make enough racket, fire up the lights, right? Barn. Got the shop rolling. House is all lit up. Everything's looking pretty. And go do a little cleaning up at the end of the day. Kind of fucked off all day today because I was burnt out, man. This old body of mine, it just says, fuck you, I'm done. But I'm telling you, man, I'm seeing the ground, right? The snow is going away, and spring is gonna be right around the motherfucking corner. Yeah, just wait till this place is in full bloom. I was told that that's probably a grapevine growing grapes in the front yard, right? That's like a apple tree that's ancient, you feel me? And there's a bunch of them scattered all over the property. All right, y'all, just had to say good evening. Love you. Peace.